Hey guys, it's Roy here from rwilco12 and epicdroid.com, and we're here today to look at the 2Code Leather and Canvas Messenger Bag. This bag is an awesome bag. It is insanely durable, and it is a great looking bag that will get you a lot of compliments and do a great job holding all of your equipment. The bag is designed to hold 15.6-inch laptops. It does have a little bit of fudging room there, and you could probably fit something a little bit bigger, but it might start to get a little bit tight. The bag goes for about $50 on Amazon, and it's available in this color here. This is their black color. I think it's more of like a tannish dark brown than a black, and then it comes in another brown or like a coffee colored brown. One of the first things you're going to notice here is that these gray parts, these are all canvas, and this canvas is a waxed canvas, and it is very, very stiff when you first get the bag. So I would recommend taking it and just kind of massaging it a bit just to get it a little bit looser, especially here across the bottom. When you get it, it's kind of folded up flat like that, and so it's very hard to get your laptop in at first. You want to make sure you get that pushed out, kind of loosen it up a bit so that it conforms more to the shape of your laptop and the things that you're carrying in there. So these brown panels and these straps, they are leather. Now it is a real leather, so it does gradually over time show a little bit of wear and tear on it. However, that is by design. It does give the bag its own unique style and gives it its own unique look that nobody else will have. And as I've used it here, I haven't seen any unnecessary wear and tear, and I actually really like the look of it. Now here on the front, we do have some straps. Now these straps are decorative. Please don't undo them. I've undone these kind of straps in the past, and they are a pain to get back together. Now they do have a little clasp here. This clasp is the part that you want to release to open up the bag. So you flip that on both sides, and pop that open. And then here you have the main pocket. We're going to come to that in just a second here. Now here on the front, we do have 4 pockets. We have these pockets here. They are sealed with a magnetic clasp. There's one on both sides. These pockets are the perfect size if you have some loose change, if you want to put your wallet in there. For me, I'm going to throw my battery bank in one, and then throw my phone and my headphones in the other. And as you can see there, it is very roomy. It is also very tight, so if you're going to be putting something in there it's a little bit stretchier, make sure you're massaging that canvas and loosening it up there as well. We have 2 more pockets here, and these pockets are the right size to hold a standard novel. This one's about 800 and something odd pages, so you can fit that in there. As you can see there, it fits very easily. You could also fit a Kindle or a tablet or something else in these pockets. So very nice fit, no worries there. Now going back up to the top here, we do have this pocket. In this pocket, you open it up and there are 2 main pouches. This one here is a padded one. There's some padding here on the back as well as this little middle panel. So this here is your laptop pocket. And as you can see there, it does fit my 15.6-inch laptop. Now it is giving me a little bit of grief here because I was messing with that earlier. So you want to, again, massage the canvas, get it nice and loose. Once you get it there, you're not going to have any problems getting it in. It's going to go right in and it'll get there every time. There's this little strap here so you can fit that, and as you can see there's a lot of give, so you could put some extra documents, you could put a book in there, other stuff as well. Now if you have a slightly larger laptop and if you're okay doing it, you could in theory put it here in this pocket and you would have a lot more room. Then here on the front we do have some additional pockets here. We got a slightly smaller pocket, that's the perfect size for putting your mouse. Then we have another one here on this side. We're going to put a charger in there. And then we have this one right here in the center that is just the perfect size to hold an extra pen, so I'm not losing that. When you're all done with it, go ahead and zip it up. Flip this flap over. Pull it down. And do up your clasp. Then flip the bag over here. And we have another pocket. And this pocket here, it's not as big as the main pockets on the inside of the bag. However, it does goes down to about right there. And it goes from here over to here. So you could fit a couple of different things in there. You can use that for additional storage. Something easy to access so you're not having to lift the flap on the front. So if you had a pair of headphones or something, you could put those in here and have really easy access to them. Now here on the sides, we do have the strap. This strap is removable. It actually comes separate from the bag. You'll find it inside it. But it's got that nice little clip there, so you can clip that on, and then you can use it as a messenger bag. You also have this handle here. This is real leather, so this is your carrying one. If you want to use it more like a briefcase, you have that option as well. So I've been working with 2Code for quite a long time now. It's been several years that I've been able to partner with them and work with them on several different review videos, and I have never been disappointed with any of their products. In fact, my main backpack is a 2Code backpack, and my main messenger bag is this one here. I have no complaints about this bag. I think it's an amazing bag, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who is looking for a solid messenger bag that's going to, again, get them compliments, be durable, will protect their devices, and will last for forever. So if you guys have any questions about this bag or the products that you saw here today, please feel free to hit us up in the comment section down below, and we'll reply as soon as we are available. If you've enjoyed this video and if you want to see more like it, please remember to give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.